Hello Monday.com user, welcome to PageProof. In this video we'll show you how quick and easy it is to connect Monday.com with PageProof, send a proof from PageProof and see that proof show up on your Monday.com board. To get started you need an account in Monday.com and an account in PageProof. Step 1. In Monday.com, open the Apps Marketplace and install the PageProof app. After it's installed, click Use App. On the Choose a Feature screen, there are several features to choose from. In this example, we'll select Integration, which is where we'll set up an automatic rule. You can add additional features later. Now you have the PageProof app in your Monday.com account. Step 2. We'll now set up an automatic rule to update the item status column for when a proof reaches in Proofing, To-Do List Requested and Approved. It's important to make sure that your item status column has appropriate descriptions to match to. Step 3. Next, create a proof in PageProof and send it to one of your teammates and add a reference to your Monday.com item. Drag and drop a file onto the file dropper. You can change any of the default proof setup if you like, such as name, tags and due date. Click the three dots next to reference and choose Monday.com. Select Item and choose your item. Next, click Add Reviewers and choose New Workflow. It's best to enter the email address of a teammate to send the proof to, but you can send it to yourself if you wish. Although just note, you'll receive both proof owner and reviewer email notifications if you do this. Send out your proof. Over on your Monday.com board, you'll see the item status column has been updated. To enhance your integration further, you'll want to add an item view. The item view will give you more information about the proof and let you open the proof quickly from inside of Monday.com. Let's do this now. Step 1. Open the item on the board which you've just referenced the proof. Then click Add View and search PageProof to add the Item View widget. If you'd like to change the information you're seeing, you can do this under the Item View settings. The proof will be updated as it travels through its life cycle. Click the proof thumbnail to open the proof. Let's show you adding a comment. See how easy that was? For more information on how to customize your Monday.com setup and use the additional features, head to help.pageproof.com or ask one of our experts via the in-app chat on your PageProof dashboard. PageProof, making feedback welcome.